Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to add a custom controller to our MVC project. See, the MVC movie project we have added and we are working with the MVC movie database. The movies, prices and rating, these are the things are comments into this project specifically. Now, the controllers classes that handle browser request. How the user is initiating the request of getting, inserting, updating, modifying. These are all the actions we call it as. Any user is going to be performing either data entry or performing the mouse clicks to do the actions on the buttons will be called as actions. These actions are going to be reflected to the controller. From there it will be moved based on the request and action. Okay. And retrieve the model from the data. The model, if it is data is happening with that request, entertaining, and retrieve model the data. Call view templates that returns a response and presenting the data. These things will be happens. Now let's see, creating a controller is a very simple aspect. Now go to the controls folder, the controllers folder. Here you need to right click, see add controller, right click on the controllers. You need to go to right click on the controllers, add, select on controllers. See MVC move like a controller empty. MVC, here it is an option, it is called installed components, which is already installed along with the Visual Studio 2022. So MVC controller empty we are taking. Okay, so here what we need to do, like choosing an empty MVC controller, we need to click on add. Click on add in the new window. Now add a new item, add new item MVC movie. So here what I am choosing, see add new item MVC controller. It is by default it is selected for MVC controller empty. Now here I am specifying a name called Hello World controller. One you need to remove. Home also you need to remove. Hello HELLOWORLD Hello World controller name should be there to understand it is in a controller form. And the extension of the form name is .cs. Why .cs? It's in a C# language we are using to writing a code. So the .cs is an extension for these controllers. Any of C# code file name will be extension for .cs only. Okay, click add. Now let's see. Under controllers we have added Hello World controller. See this one. Hello World controller we have added. It's a greatly we have added. Now very simply see the namespace. This code is written by defaultly with the along with the template. We didn't written anything. Now here what I am trying to doing now, I am adding this action index, action result index method is defaultly it is there. So the return view is also there. So what I am trying to doing now, very simply I am doing return view method I am removing, and here I am writing a simple text here like this is my default action. This is my default action, and so like end with the terminator. End with the terminator is very important for C# code, as you learned like these things from basic. Okay, like this is the action action result, like action result index it is saying no. Okay, we'll do one thing like remove this, add the string index. All right, and also we can call it as it's an get method. We can call it as get method. When we press like a hello world excuse me, HELLOWORLD hello world, when we type hello world we will get directly this from this controller, hello world controller. Let's see. Okay, let's see what will happens, how we need to run the program now. Very simply by pressing this green button to start like a debugging and run the application without debugging, or else control F5 to run the project. Okay, so I'm pressing this one. Let's see, on controller I have a customized a method, very simple index method, that's it. I'm not done anything. So from hello world controller I'll pass in a getting action. Let's see, it's a running and it's showing. If I want to use and access the hello world controller, let's see, HELLOWORLD controller name. Wow, controller name I am given in action in the URL. The same if you are written the URL page, wherever you want to click, you will get this is my default action. So you can make it the customization. See, this information we are seeing at the output in the browser. See, the get method is hello world. Why this hello world? See, the controller name is hello world at the prefix. By hitting that, you will be landed to this controller only, and this will be the default action. How beauty it is. How really beauty. If you want to make it instead of hello world like by default index method, if you want to make it welcome another method, let's see how it happens. What you need to do, just simply take a copy of this method. You need not to bother much. You just take a method copy and paste, and welcome. This is my welcome action method. Welcome action method. Save it. Welcome action method. Save it. For this, what you need to do, the default. See, the URL would be for this hello world / welcome. You need to write in this way. Just save it. To accessing of welcome method, run the program and just see the output. Yeah, if I hit / hello world, hello world, this is my default action. If I have implemented another method there, for that method is welcome, hit enter. See, this is my welcome action method. According to the actions, the URL patterns, you will get the output from the controller. MVC is a beautify is that only. So by default, when you press hello world with the controller name of the controller, you are getting index method. And also if you are specifying method name of a welcome or anything, if you want, you can create many methods there. So according to your convenient method name, yes, you can type over there and you can present, and you may call. If you want to create one more method, yes, you just take a copy, and inside the public class you have to add n number of methods. Also we call it as like a get method. Very simple get method. Most methods we'll see one by one in our upcoming lectures. See here in the output, you may strongly observe HTTPS protocol it is applying. You know that once we are creating a starter template, there we have observed to authenticated an HTTPS app certificate. So here you need to the going of the port number 7045 is an HTTPS localhost 7045 is going to be applied. The URL is targeting of hello world, and as well as the custom method, if it is there any, yes, you can get using HTTP get method. So awesomely we are able to get it. In the next lecture, we'll see more about to URL routing, how the logic is going to be implemented, how it is calling, and different patterns also will be discussed there. I'll see you there. Thank you.